They're not ready yet. Get right down there and down next to it. Whatever.
We forgot that tool. I don't know if I can get this thing up. I can't pick it up.
Let me try.
Just need to get it up there.
You just gotta be able to get it down in there.
Yeah.
So we're just pouring sugar water in.
Yes. Okay. Let me put the lid back on.
All right, so we got all the way out there to feed the bees and forgot one of our beekeeping tools. Got to run back down to the house to get it. I'm good.
Okay. This thing's been smoking around. They're pretty calm. Yeah, the smoke's been burning since you left, so. Not to jar it. Oh, Babe's blocking the camera. They're pretty calm here compared to the other hive.
Yep.
Hey, babies, we got all kinds of goodness here for you.
It's just grass. There you go.
You are a brave man, Charlie Brown.
Alrighty.
Hey, success. We succeeded in feeding all the bees. Woohoo!